Good morning, everybody. This is Sean Leland with Next Up Mortgage, and wanted to continue on the conversation with the myths of mortgage here on Monday morning. One of the prevalent myths out there is the idea of waiting for the market to turn, like we're going to see a generational drop in values like we saw in 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12, kind of in there. Actually, we were probably recovering in 12. But that is a generational drop in values. It doesn't necessarily exist. On average, over the last 20 years, despite that generational dip in values, we've still increased in values on average of, I want to say, anywhere between 5 and 6% a year. Over the last 10 years, we've increased in values, I want to say, somewhere around 9.5% per year. We continue to grow in equity. Homeowners continue to grow their equity year after year. The question that you have to ask yourself is, how long are you willing to forego that growth in equity in any piece of property that you would purchase in order to wait for that generational opportunity? It's not to say that opportunities don't exist. There's always going to be certain properties that might be distressed, or a seller might be in a unique position to want to unload their property without waiting for it to stay on the market for 20 days. Say they are willing to negotiate, give you a good deal right out of the gate. Foreclosures, always a good opportunity. We're not quite into the short sale stage yet, but I'm sure that's around the corner. There are definitely some of those opportunities, but they're very unique and they're hard to find. And a lot of investors are also looking for those opportunities, and they have deeper pockets than you and more available cash than you. Really, the time to buy is when it's right for you. If you're having questions of whether or not this is the time to buy, feel free to reach out and we can talk about it. We don't loan money that you can't afford to borrow. We have very strict criteria of what determines your eligibility, and you can create a payment that you're comfortable with. And this is Sean Leland with Next Mortgage. Oh, and by the way, if you find these videos helpful, feel free to like, comment, and share. I appreciate the support. Being self-employed, any exposure that I can get from you, the viewer, I greatly appreciate it. Anyways, I love you. God bless, and have a fantastic Monday.